Thank you, I guess, is the first thing. Uh, I mean, first of all, I'm very humbled by this. I know there's lots of very good educators in this building, and a lot of them, honestly, probably better than I am. Um, and so I really appreciate um, this. And I think hopefully one of the things I've learned is that I hope my biggest skill attribute in the classroom is empowering my students. I hope that, I may not be the best teacher, lecturer, that sort of thing, but hopefully I give you the space and the opportunity to be what you can be and discover what that is. And that's kind of how I mold what I do. I don't really know what I'm supposed to talk about here, but yeah, thank you.